When they force on the lock, this charger is getting stuck in the lock. You see this white particle? That is a damaged part from the charger. And the damage on the lock slot is clearly visible on the charger. That was a quick recap on what happened earlier. Ola shipped me a new lock set. Now they are opening the bracket. The plan of action is to remove the outer cover and replace the lock set which is inside that. As you can see, this is the new lock set and the old lock set is with me. They didn't take it back. Once every step is done, Ola team is recording the process. Now they are installing the new lock set. Now they are checking if the lock is functioning smoothly. Guys, this is an important step I don't want you all to miss. Ask them to place the charger on the bracket and check the lock functionality even before they start drilling holes on the wall. This check is important. Last time what we did, we finished all the process and finally tried the lock set, and that was having some problem. A final demo after the wall mount is placed on the wall. Whenever we use these keys, make sure to turn it to the extreme left or the extreme right to lock it or unlock. Special thanks to Mr. Sharath. He visited multiple times to diagnose the problem and get this solved.
Thank you.
Due to multiple visits, by the time the bracket was finally installed, it was very dirty. I gave it a quick clean with Colin. Most of the marks were gone. This is the slot where we can place the gun. And to release, we just have to press this button. To unlock, just insert the key and turn it to the right. Always make sure the head of the lock is aligned properly to the charger. They give us 3 keys along with the bracket. Now I'm going to charge my scooter. I'll show you my setup. As most of you know, the external lock box and the submeter, this setup was done by my electrician. Using the submeter, I usually check how much charge the scooter is consuming. I make sure this part is clean before every charge cycle. We just have to slide the gun inside. The scooter screen will show you exactly how much time it needs for full charge. So I lock this box so that no one misuses my plug point. This is my final charging setup. The gun is in place. The bracket is locked, so the charger is fixed. The box is locked, so no one has access to the plug point. I would definitely recommend paying 2,400 for the bracket and the socket setup from Ola. That's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned. Until next time.